To make your jawline look sharper in portrait photos on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, open Gallery app and then open the required portrait photo you want to edit. Tap edit icon or pencil icon at the bottom of the screen. Tap tools icon. Next, tap face effect and then tap jawline icon. Here you can use the slider to adjust your jawline. You can move the slider to the right to increase sharpness and definition. The higher the adjustment level, the more sculpted and angular the jawline appears. If you are happy with the result, tap done button and then tap save to save the change. Given to the function, you can use the jawline adjustment feature to enhance facial structure by making the jawline appear sharper and more defined. Whether you want a subtle refinement or a more sculpted look, this tool provides an easy way to improve portrait photos while keeping them natural. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.